Yes, some students will run away by the time they see question like this. But don't run, don't stay and watch. You will see, you will understand it at the end. And let's stay in. It's still the same quotients of two functions, which we already know as solution. Let's see, which we already know as y is equal to u all over v, and this we have proved it to be dy dx is equals to v du dx minus u dv dx all over v squared. This is interesting. So what we need to do is very simple. Very simple. What we need to do is to specify the functions given. Look at, we have 5e exponent x and we have cos x. 5e exponent x as the numerator and then cos x as the denominator. What we are going to do is to specify this. By the time we specify all this and we solve accordingly, you as a student will understand every step. So let's go. Here our u is 5e x exponent. And then our v is cos x. Very simple. The next one we're going to do, we have specified them. Then we need to find du with respect to dx. We are going to differentiate u with respect to this function. And by the time we do that, we still retain it because it's an exponential function, so it remains that way. Then we look again on dv with respect to x. We're going to differentiate what? V with respect to x. And each time cos x is differentiated, we have minus. We have minus sine x. So with this, we are good to go. We are on the right path. The next thing, we begin to substitute. Now we are going to substitute here because we have enough space here. The y, the x is going to be this way. V. So we are going to keep v cos x. Look at it, cos x. Very simple. Then the next one is du dx. Where is our du dx? Our du dx is 5e exponent x. So we have 5e exponent x. We put minus sign as is found in the formula. The next one is u. We are going to keep u. Where is our u? 5e exponent x again. We put it there. 5e exponent x. And finally, we substitute for dv and dy. Sorry, for dv and dx. And that is dv dx is minus sine. Remember, minus sine x. Here we're going to put into parentheses minus sine x, parenthesis close, all over v squared. Where is our v? Our v is cos x. So cos squared and then x. That is it. Look at it very well. Look at it. We can still stop here. No problem at all, because we have simplified to this point. But there is something so common, and that is 5ex, 5e exponent x is common. And we need to do something about minus and minus, at least to make our equation look nice. Let's go. We begin again. dy dx. Watch what I'm doing. Cos x, 5x, right? So what do? We can bring this out. Since it's common, 5, all right? X is common. Then we can now enclose. This becomes cos x. Cos x, all right? Minus times minus. I take it again. Minus, multiply minus, we turn it into big plus. And finally, we now have sine x. And this becomes sine x, parenthesis close, all over. We retain this the way it is, and we have cos squared x solved. That is it. It's done once again. Look at it. We have simplified further and arrived at the final point. That is the correct answer. And with this, we can now conclude that we have determined, okay, the function, the quotients of two functions, 5e exponent x and then cos x. That's the final solution. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for watching up to this moment. Thank you for your patience. My returning subscribers, my new subscribers, of course, you know I am proud of you. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Are you not finding value in this? Put it in the comment section. I will address your concern respectively. Just comment and tell me this step I do not understand. I will explain further and then resolve it for your learning sake. All right? Thank you so much. I am signing out now and then hoping to see you in my next class. Somewhere there.